Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. Firstly, make sure that you tap at the touch controls and touch controls located at the back side of the earbuds. Right here at the top we have it. So you need to double press on it or triple press or press and hold, it depends what you wanna do. If you know that you tap on it correctly, the next one is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to put both of your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now your earbuds are disconnected from your phone, and then you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone and it can fix this problem. If it doesn't, also I recommend it to check the application. Open Huawei AI Life, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it at the device list. Click on it and then go to gesture control. And right here it happened because some gesture may be set to none. As you can see right here, I have my left earbud set to none, so you need to click on it and select something else. And then check is it fix your problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!